Hey everyone, this is Aisha and you're watching the Wise Choice Hub, a channel for better learning. To make grammar easy and fun learning, be in touch with my channel by subscribing to it. So far we have learnt about nouns, types of nouns, gender and kinds of gender. If you're watching my video for the first time, then do watch my previous videos related to nouns. Today we are going to study about noun number. In grammar, the number relates to the count of a noun or pronoun. The two types of noun number are the singular number and the plural number. Now, on the left hand side, you can see a picture of a single apple. So, when a noun indicates one only, it is a singular noun. On the right hand side, you can see two apples. So, when a noun indicates more than one, it is said to be a plural noun or a plural number. There are numerous rules to change the number from singular to plural. Most nouns in general use S at the end to make it plural. Look at the examples here. Pencil, pencils. You just need to add S at the end of the word to make it plural. Look at the other examples here. Cow, cows. House, houses. Dog, dogs. Mobile, mobiles, etc. Let's study the next rule. If there is a vowel ahead of that Y, no need to change it. You only need to add S to the end of the word. For example, donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Now what is the vowel before the letter Y? It is E. So what we need to do is only add S at the end of the word donkey and make it plural, that is next to the letter Y. So goes on with toy, day, joy, play, boy. Look at the word boy, B-O-Y. Which is the vowel, children, before the letter Y? It is O. So what we need to do is just add S to the word boy, that is next to the letter Y, and make it plural as boys. The next rule is nouns ending in Y. If the noun ends with a consonant plus Y, make the plural by changing the Y to R-E-S. For example, in the word berry, B-E-R-R-Y, what is the consonant that is before the letter Y? It is R. So what am I going to do is now I am going to change the Y and make it as I-E-S. Same goes on with activity, daisy, fairy. Look at the word activity. A-C-T-I-V-I-T-Y. Now what is the consonant before the letter Y? It is T. So what am I going to do is I am going to change the letter Y and add I-E-S. Daisy, D-A-R-S-I-E-S. Daisies. Fairy, Y goes and R-E-S is added to the word fairy. The next rule is very simple. If the noun ends with CH, S, SH, X or Z, then you need to do is only add ES to form it as a plural noun. Now look at the example here, church. C-H-U-R-C-H. So what is the word or what is the letter that is at the end of the word church? It is CH. So C-H-U-R-C-H, I'm going to add is only ES to make it plural churches. So on goes with bus, buses, fox, foxes, match, matches, box, boxes, beach, beaches. B-E-A-C-H. So where there is CH, I'm going to add es and make it a plural. Where there is x at the end of the letter, I'm going to add es and make it plural. Fox, foxes. There is one exception to this rule. If you find in the word ch at the end, but the pronunciation is with a k sound, that is k, you need to add s rather than adding es. In the previous rule, we studied where there is a word ending with ch, we need to add as es. But here, when there is a word ending with the letter ch, but giving you pronunciation of k, that is k, you are going to add is only s. For example, stomach makes a word and gives you a pronunciation of stomach. So ch is k, making the sound of k. So I am going to add is s at the end of the letter h. So stomach. Epoch, epochs. Patriarch, patriarchs. Monarch, monarchs. ch is giving you a sound of k. So I am going to add is only s at the end of the word. The next rule is for the nouns ending in f or fe. The nouns that end in a consonant or a single vowel plus f or fe. What do you need to do is you have to change that f or fe and add ves. For example, in the letter or in the word knife, knife. Now, can you please tell me what is the vowel or a consonant that is before the letters fe? It is I. So, what am I going to do is I am going to replace the fe with the letters ves and make a plural as knives. Knife, knives. So goes with half. Now, what is the letter or what is the vowel or a consonant that is before the letter f? It is L, and L is a consonant. So I am going to replace the word F with the letters VES. Half. Half, halves. Scarf, scarves. Leaf, leaves. Now LEAF. What is the vowel or a consonant that is before the letter F? It is A, and A is a vowel. So I am going to replace the F with the VES and make it as leaves. The next rule is if the noun is ended with the vowel O and a consonant is placed before the vowel, then you need to add as ES and make it a plural. For example, hero. In the word hero, H-E-R-O. O is the last letter of the word, right? And O is a vowel. Now, what is the letter that is before the vowel? It is R. And R is a consonant. So, what am I going to do is, I am going to add ES at the end of the word, H-E-R-O, and make it a plural number. So goes on with mango, mangoes, zero, zeros, potato, potatoes. Now look here, P-O-T-A-T-O. O is a last letter and it is a vowel. And before the vowel there is T, and T is a consonant. So I am going to add as ES and make it a plural number. Potatoes. Echo, echoes. Let's learn the next rule. In a noun, when there is a vowel before that O, only S is to be added. For example, studio, S-T-U-D-I-O. O is the last letter of the word studio. Now, what is the vowel that is before the letter O? That is I. So, S-T-U-D-I-O, studio, I am going to add is only S. Why? Because before the vowel there is another vowel I. So I am going to only add as S and make it as studios. Same goes with cuckoo. C-U-C-K-O-O. O is the last letter of the word kaku, but before the letter O there is another vowel O. So I am going to add is only S. But in the previous rule, what did we study was when there is a letter O at the end of the word and there is a consonant before the O, you need to add is ES. Mango, we were adding as ES and making it as mangoes. Now look at the next examples here. Bamboo, bamboos. Portfolio, portfolios. Before the O there is a vowel I. So I am adding S and making it as portfolios. Cameo, cameos. Some nouns require changing the middle vowel of the word to make it plural. For example, man becomes men, woman becomes women, foot, feet, mouse, mice, tooth, teeth. The next rule is some nouns require en, ren and ne to add at last and form a plural number. For example, ox, ox, you need to add is en and make it a plural oxen. Same goes with child. child, child, you need to add ren and make it plural as children. Now look at this slide here. There are some nouns which are used in plural forms. When you're talking about some instruments, you need to say scissors, tongs, pincers, spectacles, bellows, etc. When you're talking about dresses, you need to say shorts, trousers, jeans, stockings, pajamas, tights, etc. When we are talking about games, we say it as billiards, draughts, etc. For diseases, we use measles, mumps, rickets, etc. When you're talking about subjects, we say mathematics, physics, electronics, computers, etc. And there are the other nouns such as tanks, stocks, annals, premises, riches, proceedings, assets, etc. So all these nouns are used in plural forms when you are pronouncing these words. I hope this session was easygoing. Now quickly press the like button, share the link with your near and dear ones, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Take care of yourself and be in touch with the channel Wise Choice Have. Love you. Take care. Bye-bye.